It's on with you.
You got me here?
Hey, it's Vito. All right, hit it.
This is Vito from Jersey.
Welcome back, Vito. You've been off for a while. Your fans are clamoring for another YouTube sensation.
We're at the Barber Shop with...
We're at the Barber Shop with Carlo.
Ciao.
Tony.
Hello. Nice seeing you, Carlo.
And what are we doing here?
We're smoking. What are we smoking? We're smoking La Aroma di Cuba.
Very nice cigar.
This is Vito's selection tonight. So far, what do you think, Tom?
So far, it's nice.
Nice. Look at that nice shiny wrapper. Look, smooth, oily, creamy.
The band is beautiful. That band is.
Let me see the band. Bring the band up close.
Work of art. It's a work of art. Is that Vito? Is that is that Peggy on the band there?
Yeah, that's my wife. That's my wife on the band. It's called Aroma de Peggy. Hey, hold.
All right.
All right.
You gonna set it up? Set it up.
Oh, wait, turn.
All right. What a ham. What a ham.
He's a star.
What a ham. What a
You
ham.
gotta say where he's been.
I'm gonna give you a close up. Here, close up. You got a close up now.
Get on, get on Tony too here.
All right. There you go.
Show the star.
I like the Coupoline there. Look at that.
No, but you know what a
Coupoline.
Coupoline is?
What's a Coupoline?
It's a hat.
It's a hat.
Coupoline. All right. A little Vino. Vito's been absent from YouTube for a while, and his fans have been calling day and night, hounding him.
And he's back.
He's back. Vito's back.
Back on the job.
Stronger than ever.
What we're trying to do, Tony's a baker, as you saw in one of the other videos. Makes a fantastic cheesecake. He made a chocolate coffee cheesecake the other night that there was like 7 people at my house. We all had to get on the phone and tell them how good it was. This thing was off the hook. Man, put it on Tony. Let him tell him what he did.
Nah, I don't want to.
Don't give any secrets.
Can't give us a secret.
Don't give those secrets away.
You know I'm camera shy.
We're trying to get Tony into the cupcake business here, but he's
cupcake.
He's a little.
They want a dozen each for their wives for Valentine's Day, so nobody gets stabbed in the ass.
He's a little hesitant there with the cupcakes. He doesn't look like a cupcake maker to me. I don't know.
No, you're right.
Tony don't look like a cupcake man to me.
Nothing but a pain.
Let me see. Show him those dainty little fingers.
I was going to be a gynecologist, but
I want him to tell the coffee story.
it's not going to happen, bro.
Come on.
No. I haven't really perfected the recipe. Even
No, the coffee story.
Oh, no, I ain't telling no jazz.
Come on.
No. Another time.
Tell him this is Tony's baby right here.
Not on me.
It's his doing right here. Half of it's
There
his
you
doing.
go. Tony's belly, Carlo's belly.
He's gotta stop baking. He's gotta stop baking. That's killing this wall here. What a way to go, though. What a way to go. Give my Vino.
You want your wine?
Give my.
He's been down.
There you go.
Tony, tell a story.
No stories tonight. Let me enjoy my cigar in peace, please.
You said you would tell stories. Do you remember the last time you said?
Hey, I'll tell you what, now that I do got a pair of teeth at home, next time I wear them, I'll tell a story.
That'll sure to get everybody to tune in. They'll tune in and they'll see Tony's new teeth.
Look, we got a nice map of Italy there. What part of Italy are you from, Carlo?
Outside of Verona, it's actually Verona, northern Italy. Originally, we were from Avellino.
Yeah, because you don't look northern Italian. You look like a southern Italian, Avellino.
They're all handsome down that area, they say.
Yeah, they're all handsome. And Tony, where were you? Napolitan?
Up a little higher, on the other side of Casino. Frosinone, the province.
Frosinone?
Yeah, Frosinone.
Where is that? Is it around Naples? Or?
Up above Casino, the next mountain range over. Mountain town.
Really?
Go take a look. Zoom in on the map, babe.
I don't even know where the hell it is.
It's up, look for Casino, up from Rome, see Rome.
Where the frig is Rome?
In the middle, over there a little bit more, a little higher.
Perugia.
Up a little higher, now find Casino.
Hey, Fanabla.
Well, it's up there somewhere.
Bafanabla.
You could hold the camera.
Oh, I get the
Put it
camera
on
now.
me.
Oh, there's Vito. There's Carlo. They're making a move together now, the cigar
Hey,
aficionados.
that's good wine.
And the wine is pretty
Listen to
good.
this.
Where'd you get that?
Tony brought Francis Coppola wine. Somebody gave it.
Oh, it's pretty good though.
How much a bottle?
I think $20, $22.
Very smooth. I always saw this wine. I always saw this wine, and I said, Francis Ford Coppola. You know, like Frank Sinatra wine bullshit. You know what I'm saying? But it's good wine, really good.
Carlo's back to the ground.
Can't stand that long.
I think you should just stick this on that thing over there, and then whatever.
Hit that button.
This one.